Why tongs? Well, to tell the truth, you don't need tongs, but once you learn how to use them, everything becomes easier.
Tongs give you control. They're not just tools, they're an extension of your hands. So that's why today we're making a set of Wolf Jaw. If you're only gonna make one pair, this is the one. They'll grab flat, round, and square stock, and also allow you to use punches and chisels.
You know, Wolf Jaw tongs are like the Swiss Army knife of shop tools, blacksmith tools specifically. They can take on almost all the required jobs in your smithy, and when you're learning, versatility means everything.
The reins of a pair of tongs are the part that feel like an extension of your arm. And you want them balanced long enough to get the leverage you need, but not so long they're clumsy. They gotta feel really comfortable in the hand. You gotta have any hot spots. So you gotta round them off. You gotta make them feel good in your hands. They may not work for anybody else, but they're your tongs. Somebody else can build their own tongs. The teeth in these jaws are what make these tongs special. The little grooves that we're forging into them are what allow you to grab many different shapes without slipping and give you the most dexterity possible while working. The rivet in a set of tongs is probably the most important part of tongs. Without a properly set rivet, these tongs just don't work. Plain and simple. I mean, you could probably say that the rivet is the heart of the tool itself.
So why tongs? Because sometimes your hands just aren't enough. Stay safe out there, everybody. Be well. And as always, Forge on.